Ito po yung advantages ng ating Shinong dehydrator machine. I-compared po natin sa ibang brand ng dehydrator machine. Please refer nyo po itong following key advantages of our dehydrator compared sa ibang brand. Number 1, exclusive tray support design. Our tray support is specially designed to prevent users from injuring their hands during operation. This is a unique feature available only on our dehydrators. We invested approximately US dollars 20,000 US dollars to develop and dedicated mold for this component, making it one of our proprietary designs. Number 2, circuit breaker protection cover. You will notice that the circuit breaker is protected by a cover during transportation. Circuit breaker switches are easily damaged or broken. To prevent, we invested approximately 2,000 US dollars in a custom mold to manufacture this protected cover. Number 3, thicker polyurethane insulation panels. Our dehydrator is manufactured with polyurethane insulated panels that are 3 to 5 mm thicker than those used by many other manufacturers. This provides better insulation, improved durability, and greater structural strength. Ang pang-apat naman po, reinforced door structure. Makikita nyo po dito, napakatibay po yung pinto. You may notice that other brand has an outer frame around the door. So, this was originally our design which they later adapted. Some people may think that the door handle is mounted only on thin, manipis lang yung steel panel nila, and may eventually come loose or maluluwag po siya. However, there's no need for concern. Sa Shinong dehydrator machine, we reinforce the inside of the door with additional steel plates, resulting in a very strong and durable door structure. Number 5, rear airflow adjustment damper. Originally, our airflow adjustment damper was located on the front of the machine. However, many customers installed the dehydrator too close to the wall, leaving insufficient space for maintenance. To solve this problem, we relocated the damper to the rear. Although this may be slightly less convenient, it encourages users to leave adequate clearance behind the machine for maintenance access. In addition, once the airflow is adjusted during installation, it rarely needs to be changed. Pang-anim, rivets on the front panel. Sa Shinong dehydrator machine, we use rivets only on the front panel. Ulitin ko, gumagamit lang kami ng rivets sa machine na to sa front panel lang. Based on our experience, adding rivets to other areas provides little practical benefits. Number 7, premium pre-painted color steel frame. The red outer frame is not painted. It is made from pre-painted color steel, the same type of material commonly used for refrigerators and air conditioners. The cost of this material is actually comparable to stainless steel. Its biggest advantage is that the color remains stable and does not fade or discolor over time. In comparison, the other brand model uses galvanized steel for the outer frame. Although galvanized steel offers good corrosion resistance, its surface can develop white rust or white oxidation over time. resulting in unattractive appearance. Nawawala po yung tunay na kulay niya. From our own experience, galvanized steel is not suitable for exterior frame applications. It may be acceptable for thinner internal panels, where discoloration is less noticeable, but we believe the outer frame should be made from a higher quality material. Kung i-compare po natin ito sa mga bagong labas lang po na dehydrator machine, makikita nyo po yung originality ng Shinong dehydrator machine. Pinakauna pong gumagawa nito ng dehydrator machine sa Korea ay ang Shinong Company. Okay? So yun po ang kaibahan natin dito sa Shinong dehydrator machine.